Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Guys, if you are trying to turn off your iPhone's passcode but the turn passcode off option is grayed out, don't worry, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to fix this issue quickly and easily. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, to fix this problem, first open the settings app on your iPhone or iPad. On the settings, scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Now enter your current iPhone passcode to continue. In the Face ID and Passcode menu, scroll down and tap on Reset Face ID. This will remove Face ID from your device. When Face ID is enabled, your iPhone requires a passcode for security. So unless you reset Face ID, you won't be able to disable the passcode. After resetting Face ID, go back and you'll see that the turn passcode off option is available again. You can now turn it off or set a new passcode if you prefer. Now re-enable Face ID later from the same settings if needed. That's it for today's video. If this helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and fixes.